he just got over a serious, crazy legal issue where the system tried to set him up, which is...
Yeah, that was weird.
I was in the room, boss.
That was weird. Oh, you were in the room when it happened?
I was in the courtroom the first 3 days. I was there for the whole thing.
That was very weird.
Well, the prosecutor tried to set my brother up. That's what happened. The prosecutor buried evidence. But you look at the story. It's scary. It's why the judge went, this guy's out of here.
I mean, he's an actor. You would assume the people that are doing the movie have to be responsible to hand him over a gun that doesn't have, that. Anyways, there's many. It was heated at one point where everybody was going back and forth. This is what happened. That's what happened. But, at the end of the day, is that the job of the actor that's going on there? I don't know.
No, it's not the job of the actor. The legal responsibility has nothing to do with the actor at all.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once that first assistant director said cold gun and handed it to my brother, that means it was checked according to how it was supposed to be checked for that rehearsal period and for those reasons. It's a horrible 1 in a trillion dynamic.
How's he doing now with that?
He's doing great.
Is he going to get back into, is he at a point where he's like, I'm taking a break from movies, or is he going to get back into it and continue his art?
You can imagine the amount of work he's lost in the last 5 years.
No question.
Millions
question.
and
Sure.
So now that's recalibrating and things are kind of getting separate, but he's doing a TLC reality show with his wife. he's up to his eyeballs in his, you would laugh because if you think Alec is Alec in this reputation, he's a big baby that loves to roll around with his kids. He grew up in a house with 6 kids and did it, he just enjoys family very much.
If he has, you said he has 6 kids or 7 kids?
7.
If he's got 7 kids and he grew up in a family with 6 kids, that means he loved the idea. That means you guys had a loving family that he wanted to replicate it. It means
he had a messed up family that he never had a good experience with and he wants to try to... I'm kidding.
On the mom and dad side, though, it sounds like you guys had great parents.
No, we had very loving
that's
parents,
what I'm saying.
But in a circumstance where my dad, the finance hurt my family emotionally than anything else, just trying to raise 6 kids.
Yeah, but that's a different story. But that's not his issue, though, right?
You're funny.
His issue is the fact that does he admire his father? Like, do you guys admire your father? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So it's like, hey, I want to have kids. I want to have family. And doing that, but
it's also a legacy, Yeah. He now has 3 or 4 sons that will go on to be Alec Baldwin's family.
This is the USA Gear limited edition for the rest of the year. If you love America, sport this USA Gear. On the side it says "Future Looks Bright." On the back it says "Valuetainment." On the side it's got the American flag. We got the shirts. We got the flip-flops. These are the only flip-flops I wear when I'm at the house and walking the dogs. It feels amazing with the gel in it. So, if you love America, if you believe the future looks bright, if you love Valuetainment, click on the link above or below. Go wear some of the gear and tag us because we share the pictures on the podcast all the time. So go to vtmerch.com and place your order.
So if you like this clip and you want to watch another one, click right here. And if you want to watch the entire podcast, click right here.